Hey guys, so if you're wondering how you can delete this recent section on Photoshop, or maybe you want to hide it, there are two ways to do that. I'm going to show you the first way. If you're on Mac, you can go to Photoshop, Settings, and go to File Handling. If you're in Windows, go to Edit and choose Preferences. So anyways, you just need to land on this Preference tab, this window here, and go to File Handling. You see here how there is recent file list contains 20 files. You can just change it to 0 here. And once you do that, you click OK and it disappears. Now, if you want it or maybe get these files back in the first place, you go to do the same thing, Settings, File Handling, and reset to 20 or 10 or whatever you like. Click OK, it should appear back. Now, another way to do this is go to the same File, Open Recent, and click on Clear Recent File List. That's it. This is how you do it. But keep in mind this method that you just did, File, Open, it's a one-time thing, so you can't really get it back. So you make sure which one you want it. If you really want the recents, then stick to the first options. If you don't, you can go with the second one. That's it, guys. See you in the next video.